Hello lovely viewer, welcome back to my channel. This is Helen Okoro. A big thanks to everyone who always supports me. Greetings from me to you watching this video. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this bonnet beautiful cap you're seeing right there. I have 1 yard fabric of satin and my elastic band. So I will take my measurement and cut it round. And I have some rainbow pearls to attach to it to make it colorful. Please watch to the end so you see how beautiful it is and understand better. Please, if you have watched my video have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and like. Thanks for watching once again. watching to this extent. This is the end of the video. Please, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment and share. See you on my next video. Bye.